feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
To silence notification sounds on your AirPods without turning off alerts, go to your iPhone's settings, then Sounds and Haptics. Choose Text Tone or any app notification and set the sound to none while keeping vibrations on. This lets you stay notified quietly through vibrations without hearing sounds in your AirPods.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.